What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and I have been doing a crap ton of retail arbitrage at the Goodwill over the last 2 days here. Yesterday, easy 800 plus in straight profit, was just absolutely crushing it. The footage for that will be coming out very soon here. So I was talking to one of the workers here, guys. If you don't have that little not an employee card, it's one of their little rewards cards, like one of these right here. Like the guy literally just gave me one. Every $100 you spend, you get $5 back, right? And on Fridays, every $100, like your entire order is 10% off. And then like during the middle of the month, like on the 15th or something like that, they had like something where basically if you buy like 20%, or you have something, I don't know what it was, but basically you'll get like 20 or 30 or something percent off for like the next couple of days there or whatever. But every single Friday, if you're a student, they give you 10% off your entire order, right? So let's say you save all the money that you're going to do for retail arbitrage just till Friday. So let's say you go and you do $1,000 worth of stuff, right? Then they would give you 10% of that, which would be $100 off. Then they give you another, the little point system or whatnot. You'll get another $5 for every single one that you spend. For every $100 that you spend, which would be another $50 right there. So you would get an extra $150, or save, or however you want to look at it. You'll save $100 and you'd get $50 back in cash back that you can then use to buy other stuff, guys. So, or in a little point system or whatever. So I just want to let you guys know that, like I said, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know that. It's like a sign literally right there, but I didn't know about it, so I want to let you guys know about it. And then on top of that, if you buy Goodwill cards, let's say you go out and you get a Goodwill card and you find one on Craigslist or, the websites I was telling you guys back. If you didn't watch that video, definitely make sure you go watch it. But let's say you find one of those type of videos or whatever. One of those type of cards. You find one for like 200. You pay $1.50 for it. You'd be getting another $50 off on top of that. So you'd be basically getting $200 worth of items 100% free, right? So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know this little tip that I just, kind of figured out here. As you guys can see, I'm at the Goodwill right now. I kind of wanted to wait till tomorrow since I just found this out, but I'm already in the mood to like go do it. I'll just go again tomorrow or whatever. But yeah, guys, got any questions, simply drop down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, if you haven't got into the retail arbitrage yet, I don't know what you're doing. This is one of the easiest business models out there.